Wahed Invest Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform are in the description. Wahed Invest is a Sharia-compliant robo-advisor designed for Muslim investors and anyone looking for ethical, halal investment options. It provides fully managed portfolios built with Sharia-compliant ETFs, excluding industries like alcohol, gambling, and interest-based financial services. Portfolios include stocks, sukuk, Islamic bonds, and gold, ensuring diversification while following Islamic finance principles. With a low minimum investment of $100, Wahed is accessible to beginners, unlike competitors requiring higher entry points. A key strength of Wahed Invest is its low-cost, transparent fee structure, charging 0.49% to 0.99% per year, depending on portfolio size. There are no hidden fees, and it avoids interest-based earnings, making it ideal for faith-driven investors. The platform is available in multiple countries, including the US, UK, and parts of Asia and the Middle East, catering to a global audience. Wahed's automated rebalancing keeps portfolios aligned with risk tolerance and ethical guidelines. The platform also offers tax-advantaged accounts like ISAs in the UK and IRAs in the US, making it a suitable choice for long-term investors. The mobile app is simple and user-friendly, making it easy to deposit funds, track performance, and withdraw when needed. However, there are some weaknesses. Investment options are limited compared to mainstream robo-advisors, meaning fewer asset classes to diversify into. Unlike some competitors, Wahed does not offer fractional shares, which could leave small amounts of cash uninvested. Additionally, while fees are reasonable, they are higher than passive robo-advisors like Wealthsimple or Betterment, which may be a drawback for cost-conscious investors. Overall, Wahed Invest is the best option for Muslim investors seeking a fully Sharia-compliant, ethical robo-advisor with a simple user experience and global accessibility. However, those looking for broader diversification, tax loss harvesting, or ultra-low fees may find better alternatives. If this review helped, check out the links in the description for more details.